Man, I have nowhere to put my bread.
Me either.
Ooh, maybe we should make a shelf, and it could be helpful and decorative to our kitchen.
Decorative and rustic.
Why would you want it to be rustic? You mean like the potato?
No, that's russet, I think. Rustic is a form of making...
This isn't school. I just finished school.
Okay, school's over. Let's get to crafting.
Hey, welcome back to Crafting with Katelyn and Daddy, and today we're going to make...
This bread stand, it's a rustic bread stand that matches our kitchen.
So, let's get crafting.
All right, get your safety glasses and let's head out to the garage.
Say hi, Dirk.
All right, Dirk.
Say hi to everybody.
Hi to everybody.
Say hi. Hi. He wants to help us with our video. We cut 4 shelf pieces out of plywood. Okay, next thing we need to do is sand everything smooth. Now that we got some of our sanding done, we can go to painting, and we'll see you when we go painting. So now I'll show you the boards that we're gonna be painting. Look pretty nice, don't they? Okay, so now I'm going to be painting this wood, so let's get started.
All right, we got some of these pieces we cut up from the pallet wood. They're 2-inch slots. We got 2 small and 2 long ones. We're gonna make those. We're gonna join them with a pocket hole, and we're gonna make a frame like this for these sides to hold it all together.
Guys, it's the next morning, and now we're going to assemble all the pieces.
All right, now we're going to drill some pocket holes to hold the whole thing together, and Kayla's gonna be our drill buddy. Ready? So you need to drill in this hole here. Keep it lined up. There you go. All right, so we are going to put some screws in to hold the whole thing together. Dirk is too. He's going to help out. Right there, Dirk. All right, here you go.
Okay, so what we're going to do, you're going to...
Right. We're going to add on our set of shelves now. Dirk, get out of here. We're gonna add our shelves on now, so we're gonna have, the first thing we need to do is put some spacer blocks in so we know how far up we wanna have it. That's what these are right here. So we got our shelf, we're just gonna slide it right in and line it up, and then we're gonna screw it in just like we did the first one, and we'll do that a couple more times to get all the shelves we need, all right? So hopefully you enjoy. All right, we're gonna put in our chicken wire. We've got our chicken wire bent to the right place. We're gonna be able to put it in there. We're just going to slide it right into place here. So you adjust it in. Careful, you are going to get poked.
Yes. Yes, you will. Okay.
So we got some trim pieces that are going to hold it into place. We're going to use our nail gun to put them in, so Kaylin's going to go ahead and put a nail or so in here. Now you should be wearing safety glasses, so get your safety glasses. Safety glasses.
Safety glasses time, that's important.
Safety time! You don't want to lose an eye or 2 or 3. Yeah, 3. Alright, so here we go. Just right here. Now you should put a nail right there in the middle.
That we have this nice bread stand with all of our bread, and I hope you like this video as I said at the first, and subscribe and have a good day. Bye!
Me either. Make it rusty.
Whoa!
Whoa! Just let it go. Just let it go. Just try again. All right. Take 2. Here we go.
We got a lot of our sanding done, and now we're gonna go paint.